Hello friends, I'm Parviz and this is our third video in Pyglet basics application development. In the previous video I have showed you how you can make a label in Pyglet. This was from the previous video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can upload or how you can add image to your Pyglet application. Okay. For this I have an image. This is a nice car image and I add it to my directory. And also I have a Python file at name of Pyglet image. Okay. Now the first thing I need, I'm going to import Pyglet, and after that I'm going to make a window, Pyglet.window. Okay. Now I'm going to make an image, Pyglet.resource.image, and I give my image name is car.jpg, and I'm going to make my onDraw event at window.event def onDraw, and in here the first thing I need, I'm going to clear my window, and the second thing I need, I'm going to blend, or when you're going to show your image in the screen in Pyglet you should blend your image. You can write simply image.blend at 0,0. Okay. This blend tells to Pyglet for drawing image at pixel coordinate 0,0 in the window. And at the end you should run your loop, pyglet.app.run. Okay. This was our code. Now I am going to run my application. I have an error. Pyglet. I think I have forgot to. Let me check the error. Object blend. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is blend. Let me run this. You can see now I have the image in my Pyglet window. You can change this coordinate. For example, you can change this 20. If you run this, now it's a little above, and also you can make it for example 80, 50. You can see now it's in here. Let me change this to 50 and change this to 80. Yeah, now it's in this section. Thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos don't forget to subscribe my channel.